All right, welcome back to Bikes with Ben. We are on part 2 of this disassembly video of the Shimano FH-M7110 Freehub and kind of rear hub here. In the last video, we will recap where we left off. Let me clear this wall off real quick. All right, so if you look here, we've got the diagram of what this whole hub has to offer. This part up in here, we are about to do. That's the actual axle and the bearings and everything that go for that. What we did in the last video is down in this range here. It's the full Freehub. We took the Freehub off and the Freehub body. We tore it apart and then we got all the bearings inside of that. So coming up soon is going to be the build video for this. We're going to take all these parts, clean them up, add new grease to them, put that all back together. What you're going to need for that is a 6803 bearing and a 6802 bearing. Those were in the last videos telling you what to order. And then for this part of things, to take the axle off of the wheel here, you're going to need a 17 millimeter spanner or a crescent wrench. Anything will work for that. And then an 18 millimeter spanner as well. So let me pull you down here. And what I found out is that there is a piece right here that you can get a spanner onto. I ordered these 16, 15, 14, 13 spanners on Amazon, and then I just filed it down to be about an 18 is what it looks like. So an 18 and a 17. This video here is just going to cover how to remove this, and then we're going to get back into the full build. So yeah, again, a 6803 and a 6802 bearing, and then you'll need the grease as well. So the grease for this is Super Lube and the Shimano Freehub grease. So I used these in my last video with the Dior rebuild. These are the two we'll be using. So, all right, Ben from the future here. I've been editing this, and it made me look up the greases for these things. So in the last video, I had used Super Lube instead of the premium grease, and then I used this Freehub body unit grease. I did buy this specific stuff. I thought it was going to be the same. On the hub that we're working on, the M7110 now, the premium grease is the same, so you could probably use Super Lube here. I ordered the premium grease. I'm going to test it out and see how close to Super Lube it is. And then this says seal grease for Freehub, so it's slightly different grease. So anyway, I ordered the premium grease. I ordered the seal grease for Freehub. So when I do the full build video for the hub, when I put it all back together, I'm going to test the two greases to get against each other to see if the Super Lube is similar enough to the premium grease and to see if the seal grease for Freehub is similar enough to the special Freehub body unit grease. I'll let you know in that video if it's good or not. I just wanted to let you know that ahead of time in case you were getting parts on order for the rebuild. Thanks. Let's get started with the disassembly of this thing. So again, 18 millimeter hacked together spanner here. Put it on the bottom. And then the 17 millimeter here. We're going to have to go lefty-loosey here. Go like this. Beautiful. I think that worked. This is just a pedal wrench, so you probably have one of these already. If you have anything for your pedals. The 18 millimeter does not come in the pedal wrench for some reason, and it didn't come in my other set here. So, all right, we've got that apart. This piece should also unthread. For that, I think we can use this spanner here. So maybe the 15. Yep, 15 on, bring you up here, this side of the hub. Or this side of the axle, and then on the brake side over here, we can get that 18 on it. It's actually already pretty loose. Come on, little buddy. All right, there we go. There's that little piece. Now we should be able to slide this out the drive side. All right. Definitely some good amount of grease inside of that. So if we look through here, what we've got is just a few more bearings to pull out. What we've just removed is our axle. This is on where my hand is holding it is the drive side. We've got this nut here, and then this end cap that threaded on as well. So again, a 17 millimeter spanner here. Let's pull this out so you can see this a little better. a 17 millimeter spanner here, an 18 millimeter here, and then a 15 can catch this edge right there. All right, now on to getting these bearings out. We should be able to just pop those right out with a little pick. Little bearing cover. We've got our bearing there. This is, I looked this up to try to order this. It's a Shimano specialty. You can't just order this. It's not like a, you know, a BMX style or anything. It is there specific for this hub. So you can see there's just a ton of grease on that thing. We'll make sure to get that grease back up when we put it back together. For now, let's put it on this baggie. All right, and I need a paper towel. There's another little cover still in here. Does that come off? Let's check the exploded view again. No, that's going to stay in there. Cool. So then on this side, over to the, where are we at here? This is the non-drive side, the brake side. Another little cover. Just work my way around the edge of it and popping it out. There we go. There's that. We've got our brake side bearing. Cool. So let's put this would be right like that. This would be over here. On this side, have that bearing and that cover. And that's our full inside of the hub. This is now fully cleaned out. Get this light over here so you can see it better. Oh yeah. That's drive side. Here is brake side. And then what we had, cover, bearing, the axle itself, another bearing. This is on the brake side now, a bearing cover. This is the hub, alignment piece. This is what's going to hold it into the actual hub, the axle. It's going to hold the axle into the actual hub. This threads on to here, then your hub is in between here. This lines it up. There's already one mounted straight to the axle that is not movable. That's why this slides out the drive side. And then you got your end cap. So there is a ton of grease on here. This grease here we'll cover next week. Will probably end up being the super lube. And then there's some special grease that goes into the Freehub body piece. That's the Shimano Freehub grease. Shimano does have a specific grease they use in here. I'm going to look that up and make sure that the super lube is compatible with it. I think it will be. And other than that, we should be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a short little video to get the axle out of this wheel. Coming up next week, or maybe sooner, hopefully, is going to be the full rebuild to this. So we're going to grease all of these bearings back up, clean them all up first, re-grease them, reinstall them, and we're going to fully rebuild the Freehub body as well. So if you did take your Freehub body completely down to the shell, as I said before, what you'll need is the 6803 bearing, the 6802 bearing, a bearing press kit, which I'll have a link for in the description here, and then some grease. Definitely the Shimano Freehub grease. and then some super lube as well. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. All the links for the bearings, the grease, everything you'll need, the tools will be in the description of this video. Coming up next week will be the full rebuild of this guy, so make sure you're subscribed so you get notified for that. Otherwise, go out there, have fun riding, and I'll see you next time.